Good morning, Texans. I'm Fatima, your Season 13 Director, and this is TexanTV.
Hi, for the drum majors, this is the Texans band, and you're watching
Texans, Student Council needs your help to decide on our theme for homecoming this year. Please use your Chromebook to access the link on the flyer to cast your vote no later than Thursday, August 28th. The winning theme will be announced on Friday.
Hey Texans, our first football game will be at Nimitz High School this Friday against Nimitz. Go Texans!
Hey Texans, it's Nemi and welcome to our Q&A. Who am I here with?
Alejandra,
Noemi,
Daisy.
Coach Loya.
Your first question is, what is your most vivid field trip?
Going to state.
My most vivid field trip was probably going to UT Austin last year because UT Austin is my dream school, and hopefully I can get in this senior year.
My most favorite field trip is when we went to the AT&T Stadium back in 6th grade, so that was fun.
A garden field trip. It was so much fun. There was a big tower, the tallest one. We were allowed to climb up it and look over it. The teacher would yell at us, be like, "Don't go over," because he was scared that we were gonna fall. But we were like 4th graders, you know.
Your second question is, do you believe your dreams have meanings?
Yeah, I feel that they do because my mom has had some pretty vivid dreams and they've come true. So I believe they have meaning.
Yeah, I agree. I think they have meaning.
I think so as well. My mom, when she had me in her stomach, she thought I was a boy throughout because I would kick her stomach nonstop. So it was bad. And then I think a month before I was born, she had a dream of me being a girl. So that she was like, I have a girl. And later on, whenever my cousins would have babies, she would always dream of being like, it's gonna be a girl, it's gonna be a boy. So she would always get it right. And I'm like, bro, how?
And if I can remember them half the time, yeah, maybe they do have a lot of meaning, yeah.
And your last question is, if you could erase any color from existence, which one would it be and why?
Beige for sure, because it's a boring color. Even though you can do a lot and match with a lot of clothing, I still think it wouldn't make a big difference if it stopped existing.
It's like a brown color, but it's not called brown, but I don't like the color. I wish it would go away.
I don't like the color green, even though I'm wearing it.
Every color matters.
Good morning, Texans. Do you want support getting into your dream college? The University of Texas has a free pre-college program, Upward Beyond, just for you. In this program, you'll get an advisor to help raise your GPA, free college and educational trips, tips, and skills to succeed in college. Interested? Ask your counselor or stop by College and Career Center to learn how to apply. Don't miss out.
Hey guys, I hope you had a good summer. This is Coach Miller and Miss Utley here, and we want to welcome you back for another exciting year of the Just Keep Living program. If you're unaware of what Just Keep Living is, we are a after-school program, and we do this Mondays and Tuesdays, and we focus on health, wellness, community service. We learn how to cook. We do all sorts of things. This year we have a lot of things planned for you. We have baseball games, we have field trips, cooking classes, guest speakers, as well as plenty of other fun daily activities.
And there's no sign up necessary. Just show up to room 922, September 8th at 3 o'clock. We look forward to seeing you guys there.
If you have any questions regarding GPA exemptions, contact Mrs. Moore.
Hi, my name is Cynthia Coreño, and I teach 10th grade pre-advanced English 2 here at Sam Houston. I have been a teacher here at Sam Houston for 7 years now, but I was here before as a student. I graduated in 2006, so 7 plus 4 is 11. I've been here for 11 years. I teach pre-advanced English 2 in the PTEX Center. In my previous years, I taught English 3, and Ms. Sullivan came to me 2 years ago and asked me if I would take a leap of faith with her and teach in the PTEX Center. And so I agreed to teach pre-advanced English 2. I make my students feel welcome. I'm very intentional about the first couple of days of school. I introduce myself. I tell them personal details about myself, let them know that I came here as a student. So I'm very well versed with the community that they live in because I'm from the same neighborhood. So I feel like when I introduce myself to my students, they either see like a sister or they see maybe a previous teacher, maybe a mother figure, or maybe an aunt. And so I feel like exposing myself to them very early on allows them to see me as a human also, not just a robot at the front teaching. I feel like the most important things for students to succeed in school is probably having a growth mindset. I know we hear that word a lot, but when you get to the real world, you have to always stay in a constant state of learning. Otherwise, you get stuck. And I say that from my own personal experience. I feel like students need to be very well versed in finding resources because in the real world, at the end of the day, you end up kind of fending for yourself, right? And so if they know how to find a resource for a certain thing that they're doing or they're learning, I feel like that's a great skill to have. I think the biggest change in education, I know AI is like the number one answer probably to that question, but I feel like just based on my own experience here at SAM as a student, then now as a teacher, I think people are leaning more towards trade school and that type of education. And so not saying anything bad about universities or anything like that because I attend a university and I love it. But I feel like people are starting to branch out a little bit and maybe just focus on specific like hands-on trade school pathways. So I do think that that's going to evolve as years go on.
Students, are you interested in going to college but don't know where to start? Sam Houston has a college and career center located in room 1404 upstairs next to the library. You can get your questions answered, talk with a college advisor, and begin the college application. The College and Career Center is open Monday through Thursday during the school day. You may also ask your counselor for more details.
Well, that's all we'll have for you today, Texans. I'm Fatima, your Season 13 Director, and this is TexanTV. Oh. Hello, Texans. Shut up.
Okay, guys, pick a video. One of these, or subscribe. Here, 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 or here. How about here? Over here. No, down here. Over here. Where are we? Okay, that's it.